Hi, is this Bella Italia restaurant?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I'd like to make a reservation.
Sure, for which date and time?
This Saturday at 8.
How many people will be dining?
Just two, a table for two.
Do you prefer indoor or outdoor?
Indoor, please. By the window if possible.
Let me check for you.
Thanks so much.
We have one window table left.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Can I get your name?
Jessica Miller. Miller.
Is this for a special occasion?
Yeah, it's my husband's birthday.
Would you like us to bring out a dessert with a candle?
That would be great. He has no idea.
We'll make it a surprise.
Oh, one more thing. He's allergic to shellfish.
Got it. I'll make a note of that.
Great. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. See you Saturday. Morning. Coffee's on the counter.
Thanks, babe. You're up early.
Yeah. Any plans for today?
Actually, I was thinking we could go out tonight.
Go out where to?
Somewhere nice. It's a surprise.
A surprise? What's the occasion?
Does there need to be an occasion?
I guess not. I'm just curious.
Just trust me. You'll like it.
Okay, I trust you.
Good. Wear something nice tonight.
How nice are we talking?
Shirt and jacket nice.
Got it. Now I'm really curious.
Patience. You'll find out in a few hours.
Fine. I can wait.
Hey there, looking for anything special?
Yeah, I need a nice red wine.
Sure, what's the occasion?
Dinner out with my husband tonight.
Nice. What kind of food?
Italian.
Italian goes great with Chianti.
Chianti? Tell me more.
It's from Tuscany, really popular.
What's it taste like?
It's dry with a cherry finish.
That sounds good. What about this one?
That's a 2019 vintage. Great choice.
How much?
$35.
I'll take it. Can you wrap it up?
Sure thing. Here you go.
Thanks a lot. Jack, you ready?
Almost. How do I look?
Really nice. The blue shirt looks good on you.
Thanks. You look great too.
Thank you. I called an Uber.
Uber? Why not drive?
I got us some wine for dinner. We can both enjoy it.
Smart thinking. No designated driver needed.
Exactly. We can relax and enjoy the night.
So, any hints about where we're going?
It's your favorite type of food.
Pizza, steak, or...
You'll see when we get there.
Fine. The Uber's here?
Just got the notification. Let's go.
Right behind you. Good evening. Welcome to Bella Italia.
Hi, I have a reservation under Miller.
Let me check. Jessica Miller, party of two?
That's right.
Your table by the window is ready.
Perfect, thank you.
We have your notes about the allergy.
Great. And the other thing?
All set. We'll take care of it later.
Wonderful. We also brought our own wine.
No problem. Corkage fee is $10.
That's fine.
Follow me, please.
Thank you.
Wow, this place is really nice.
You like it?
Like it? I love it. Italian food.
I knew you'd be happy.
Look at this view. The city lights?
Pretty romantic, right?
Very. What's the occasion again?
Just wanted to treat you.
Well, I feel very treated.
Good, that's the point.
Something smells amazing.
That's probably the garlic bread.
My stomach is growling.
Let's look at the menu then.
Good idea. I'm starving.
What sounds good to you?
I'm thinking steak. What do you recommend?
Their ribeye is supposed to be great.
Sold. I'm getting that.
Good evening, James. Ready to order?
Yes, we are.
What can I get for you?
We'll start with the bruschetta.
Great choice. And for mains?
1 ribeye steak, medium rare.
Medium rare. Got it. And for you?
I'll have the mushroom pasta.
Excellent. Anything to drink besides the wine?
Just water for both of us.
Still or sparkling?
Still is fine.
Perfect. I'll open your wine now.
Thank you.
Food will be out shortly.
The bruschetta was great.
Yeah, the tomatoes were so fresh.
All right, time for the steak.
How does it look?
Let me cut into it first.
Everything okay?
Not really.
What's wrong?
I ordered medium rare. Look at this.
Oh no, there's no pink.
Yeah, this is well done.
The meat looks pretty tough.
It is. I can barely cut it.
That's a bummer. Should we say something?
I think so. They should know.
I'm not great at complaining.
It's not complaining, it's just letting them know.
I guess you're right.
Want me to handle it?
No, I can do it. I'll wave him over.
You got this.
Excuse me, could I talk to you for a sec?
Of course. How's everything?
Actually, there's a small issue with the steak.
Oh, what's wrong?
My husband ordered medium rare,
Right, I remember.
but this came out well done.
I'm so sorry about that.
The meat is a bit tough to cut.
You're absolutely right. Let me fix that.
Could we get a new one?
Of course, I'll have the chef make it right away.
How long will that take?
About 10 minutes.
That's fine. No rush.
I'm really sorry about this. We'll make it right.
No problem. Thanks for understanding.
Now that's a proper steak.
Pink in the middle?
Perfect. Medium rare. So tender.
Good. I'm glad you spoke up. Well, that I spoke up.
See, it wasn't that bad.
They were really nice about it.
And your pasta?
So good. Want a bite?
Really creamy.
Look, the waiter's coming back.
He's carrying something.
Oh my.
Is that a tiramisu with a candle?
Happy birthday, Jack.
Wait, what? It's my birthday?
You forgot your own birthday?
I totally forgot. Work's been crazy.
That's why I planned all of this.
You planned everything? The restaurant, the wine?
All for you, birthday boy.
I can't believe this. You're amazing.
Make a wish. The candle's melting.
Okay, let me think.
Did you wish?
I did.
What did you wish for?
I can't tell you. It won't come true.
Fair enough. Oh, look, at the plate.
There's a note. On the house. Sorry for the wait.
They gave us free dessert because I spoke up.
See? Always worth it.
This worked out perfectly.
Best birthday ever. Seriously. That was an incredible night.
I'm glad you liked it.
The food, the wine, the surprise.
And the free tiramisu.
That was a nice bonus.
You really forgot your birthday.
Completely. I've been so busy lately.
That's why I need you.
I really do. Thanks for everything.
You're welcome. Look at all those stars.
The sky is really clear tonight.
Perfect night.
Next time, I'm planning something for you.
Oh, really? I'll hold you to that.
There's our ride. Let's go home.
Love you, birthday boy.
Love you too. Best birthday ever.